In this video, I'll show you how to view pre-market and extended trading hours data in TradingView, step by step. First, open your chart in TradingView. Now, one thing to keep in mind, you need to set your chart timeline to a shorter period. For example, if your chart is set to 6 months or longer, the option to view extended hours might not appear. So, switch to a shorter range like 1 day, or use 1 hour or 5 minutes timeframes. That way, you'll see the full extended hours option available. Once that's done, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled RTH, which stands for Regular Trading Hours. Click on it and change it to Extended Trading Hours. You'll now see all pre-market and after-hours data directly on your chart. There's also another way to do this. Go to the top right corner, click on the Settings, Gear icon, and then open the Symbol tab. Under Data Modification, find the Session option and switch from regular trading hours to extended trading hours. This will show all price action outside the regular market hours. Click OK and you're done now. Your chart displays pre-market and post-market movements, which can be very helpful for spotting early trends or reactions to earnings reports.